Next is simplify. There are 4 parts to it, means 4 separate questions. Smaller ones, we'll solve them separately. X square plus 5 into x square plus 3 plus 5. Here again 2 brackets and there is a multiplication. No sign means multiplication. So solve this. Break first bracket, it's easier. So x square into x square plus 3 plus 5 into x square plus 3 and this 5 as it is. So solve this. X square into x cube. X here, whenever there are you are multiplying some x term or y term, the indices get added. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then here 3x square as it is, 5x cube, and here 15 and 5. Solve this. X raised to 5, then x square and no, there is no one. So bring x cube over here. Bring it in descending order. That's the always general term followed throughout the world. It's always in descending order. So x square 5x raised to 5, 5x cube, then 3x square, then no x means 20. Okay. Next is these two. Minus 10 upon 3 into xy cube into 6 upon 5 into x cube y. See here, there's simply multiplication. This minus sign don't get confused with plus minus over here. Okay. So minus into plus is minus. So answer will be in minus sign. That's for sure. Now solve this. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. See here, there's a multiplication sign. That's why you are able to do this. If there would have been plus, then you couldn't have done this. Okay. So 2 to the 4 and this x cube, it gets added, x raised to 4, y cube y, it gets added, y raised to 4. That is the answer. Next, see this, x cube minus x square minus x minus 2, this is bracket, minus this 2x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 4. This is another bracket. So you have to solve this. When you are solving, we have done this 1000 times earlier. So solve the brackets. There is a plus sign outside, so signatures as they are. Here it's a minus sign, so signs will change. Everything will become opposite. This will become minus 2x cube. This is minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4. Solve the similar terms. X cube minus 2x cube minus x cube. X cube minus x square minus 2x square minus 3x square minus x plus 4x 3x. Sign of the bigger one. Then minus 2 plus 4 2. Then sign of the bigger one. Always remember in plus and minus, the signature is always of the bigger number. Next, simplify again these two brackets. Okay. While solving this, either you can break this bracket or this bracket. See here, it's easier to break this bracket because there are only terms, 2 terms. Here it will be 4 terms to break. So break this bracket, x plus 2 into, see here, x into this full bracket plus 2 into this full bracket again. Okay. So solve this. You get 2x4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x from the first term. Now from the second term, 4x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 8. Do it yourself. It's very easy. So get the similar terms. 2x4 as it is because there is no x4 term. Then x cube and x cube. Yeah, there 2x cube. X square minus x square. 6 plus 4 10x and 8 as it is.